I'm Marissa, and that's Nick. We're high school sweethearts who love to travel. We're also professional photographers and videographers based out of Massachusetts, specializing in weddings and music videos. After being in lockdown for over a year because of the 2020 pandemic, we are so ready to get out of the house and see some new and familiar places. Welcome to I Just Want to Travel.
Washing is right there. Take a wash.
I need a wash. What's up, MySpace? Welcome to I Just Want to Travel. I'm up here in New Hampshire, going to a wedding, doing it solo. Marissa got pretty sick from the buffalo wings we had last night. Tore up her insides. So she's staying at the hotel, has to sit this one out. But it seems like a pretty exciting wedding. She was all bent out of shape about it, but understandably so. It's supposed to be on a mountain in a castle that you take a gondola to. You'll experience how sick it is, just how she will. Gonna watch the vlog. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Give her a like, give some comments. She likes responding to them. Please do that and enjoy the ride.
How was this chanting? All around the block I hear the people counting, staring at their clocks, and you can see the children holding out their breath. Oh yeah.
How you doing?
I'm still dying.
Still dying?
Not as bad though.
I got you some cereal.
Thanks.
I didn't know, you said you wanted Frosted
Flakes.
Flakes. I didn't know if you wanted milk, so I got milk.
I wanted some dry stuff.
Yeah, I sort of figured.
Tried to eat some of my bagel.
Nope. No. Dang. Well, no more buffalo chicken eating contests for you.
Never. I will not be eating those for a while. We're talking like probably years. That's what happened with steak. Once. Good morning. I am feeling better. Thank bejeebus. All right, we're leaving. We're making our way to Pittsburgh, New Hampshire now, which is like 3 hours away. And we're gonna see our niece and nephews, a bunch of them, and my sister and her husband, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna be really excited. Giant waterfall. Go see it. We decided to come a little closer to get a few photos, but this place is so beautiful. Just look at it. So beautiful. Hi, baby. Hi.
Liam!
Going good. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Hi, dude.
Hi.
How you doing? I like your shirt.
Hey.
Roxy!
I'm not sure there's much over there though.
Yeah, I can make that small like a beaver dam.
Say hi.
Hi. And no, I asked Colin.
Oh.
I'm 2.
I gave it away.
You watch where you're walking?
Colin, not how many fingers?
No?
Colin, watch it.
You don't wanna?
How many fingers?
Are you the backwards man?
How many fingers? I can't tell this one.
Hi, honey. Hi.
I'm in 2. I want to take a video.
You want to take a video?
I want to take a video.
Oh, you want to? All right, hang on. All right, you good?
Now you're filming.
You're good.
Let's
All
do
right, now you're doing a video. Nope, don't touch it again.
Here, look at me.
You're
Point it
good.
at me.
Point it at Auntie Rissa.
Hi. Do you see her? Do you see me?
Yeah.
You're recording. Leave it. Don't touch it again.
Get your thumb off.
No.
Do something.
Say hi.
What do you think?
Nick, are you So what you eating? A pizza?
Yeah.
Cheese pizza with no sauce?
Yeah. Or anything.
That's good. That's your favorite, right?
Yeah.
What do you got? You got some pizza?
Yeah, with sauce.
And bacon, right?
Yeah.
It looks good.
I love green color.
What?
I love green.
I'm gonna send you down the hill.
It's gonna push you down the hill.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
And crash! You did. You crashed straight into your bike that I moved.
Yeah, and I already did it the last
It's stuck on his butt.
Next time on I Just Want to Travel.
We're at Pennington Farm and we're shooting a wedding for the Gowans right now, and this place is absolutely beautiful. You guys can move your heads.
And before heading home, we stopped into Boston to see the metal tour of the year.
You've been great.